Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Traditional style akara adisal or temple style akara adisal. The method and measurements are given accurately and you can use this for your preparation. This preparation will take only 1 hour of time. Let's see it. Take half cup of moong dal and then add quarter cup of rice. Pour water and then wash it very well. Drain all the water completely and keep it for 5 minutes. In a cooker, add 2 spoons of ghee and then heat it. Add the washed and drained rice and moong dal to this. Roast both the ingredients very well in the ghee. This will take minimum 2 minutes of time. Just do this until you get a nice aroma. Then add 6 cups of milk to this. The milk should be thick milk. I have already boiled this milk. You can also add raw milk to this, but I have already boiled it. For a total of 3/4 cup of rice and moong dal, you have to add 8 times of that, which will be 6 cups of milk. Now mix this completely. It should not stick to the bottom, so mix it completely and then close the cooker. Close the cooker gently and put a whistle. This has to be in medium to low. Give minimum 5 whistles and switch it off. Meanwhile, in a separate pan, add quarter cup of ghee to this. Heat it and then add 10 cashew nuts and then 5 raisins to this. I have broken the cashew nuts into 2. Roast these nuts and raisins for minimum 1 minute. Now it has turned brown. Now take out the whistle from the cooker and check the consistency. Now the rice and the moong dal are cooked very well. It is not like a payasam or like a pongal. The consistency is really good. Now we have to add the jaggery. Add 1 cup of jaggery to this. Add quarter spoon of cardamom powder to this. Add 1 pinch of camphor to this, which is pacha karpooram. Just add to this. In temple they usually add this. Mix all these ingredients very well. Keep the flame very low and then mix the ingredients and cook it for minimum 5 minutes. Crush 1 clove, which will come like a 1 pinch of clove. Add it here. This will give nice taste. And then add the fried cashew nuts and raisins to this. Mix all the ingredients very well. It should not become thick. It has to be little bit liquid and not to be solid. To get the temple style taste, you have to add quarter cup of ghee to this. Mix it very well. Our akara adisal is done. Once you mix with the ghee, just switch off the flame. Traditional akara adisal is ready with accurate measurements. Akara adisal taste is really good. I tasted it. It seems to be like a temple style akara adisal. Just try this recipe with these measurement and method. Definitely you will get a nice taste. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.